today. I'm gonna go the entire 24 hours without sleeping. We're also getting our bed delivered today. Smile. We did it! Good morning, you guys. Let's make a matcha together. I just ordered this new pack of like Sunday matcha or something like that. I have never tried it before, but I'm excited to get it from the mailroom today. This is my favorite oat milk to use. The oat milk half and half. And it is so much more creamy. You guys, this is my least favorite chore. I will wash dishes, I will vacuum, but this is my least favorite thing in the entire universe. We didn't get to really organize Cody's clothes, so I'm just doing some of them. I'm gonna kind of manipulate it in a way to put all nice shirts. Some are easily accessible, so he's more prone to wearing them. Because I love seeing him in his polos, and he doesn't wear them often, so I'm gonna put his t-shirts on this side. Some braised oxtail we made the other night. It was so yummy, you guys. And what I'm gonna try to do today is make an onigiri and some cilantro. Because why not? Add some chili oil. Oh my god, another package, a huge big box. That's our coffee table. Okay, so this is what my mix looks like. I got these cute onigiri molds, you know. Oh my god, my laundry is clanking around in the background. It's so loud. Bruh. That is the most perfect We just got our coffee table. Jesus Christ, this thing is heavy. Let's see how this table looked. Could you guys even see it? It's clear. Cody just ordered another ottoman. So this is how it would look here. Which is not bad. There's still plenty of room to walk and stuff, right? So this is kind of what the table looks like. I think it's like a clear acrylic table, but like, she's sturdy. Pretty. I love it. Guys, it is 6 in the morning and I have not slept yet. Is that kind of crazy? I'm getting ready to go to the gym right now. I've just been feeling so unproductive lately. I think I'm gonna get my period soon. All I've been doing for the last 2 days is a whole lot of nothing, a lot of eating. I've been eating like crazy, like everything in the pantry. I've been consuming so much sugar and I have not gone to the gym or I have not worked out at all. I haven't really been editing as much as I wanted to. So I actually stayed up all night last night editing. Since I got my new desktop computer, it has been so much easier to edit. I have so much more storage space. As for today, what am I doing right now? Since my sleeping schedule's been so messed up, I've been sleeping anywhere between 5, 6 to 7 a.m. Yesterday, I slept at 7 a.m. And it's literally just because I couldn't sleep. I'm gonna go the entire 24 hours without sleeping so that tonight I'm gonna be exhausted and it'll force me to go to sleep on time. I don't know if that's the best solution, but right now I just don't feel tired. Maybe midday today, I might need a nap or something. We're gonna try to run with it today. I feel like I could run a marathon right now. So I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna use this energy to be productive and go to the gym. I did make myself an iced coffee just to give me some extra oomph. I'm gonna finish my iced coffee and let's go to the gym. Hey you guys, I did not vlog all that much. It is now 12:38. I went to the gym earlier and then I went to Winco to go grocery shopping. I came home to drop off the groceries and then I went to 3 other grocery stores. Why did I go to 3 other grocery stores? I was looking for this. It's pho seasoning packet. So I'm gonna make pho today and there was literally no type of pho seasoning, anything. Like this wasn't even the specific one that I was looking for. Literally everywhere that I went did not have any pho seasoning. So I went to 3 different grocery stores. I'm so adamant about making pho tonight. I've never ever tried to make pho before. Cody comes home in 7 hours and I think that's the perfect amount of time to kind of brew pho. So let's do it, you guys. I'm gonna channel. I still have not showered from the gym, but it's gonna be cooking on the stove for a long time, so I'm just gonna shower while that's happening. And we are also getting our bed delivered today. This is what I was doing. I cleared everything out of this room. Now it echoes so much, but I took the rug out, the old bed frame and our old bed, put it into the guest bedroom because that's where it's gonna go. But I still need to mop and lay down the carpet so that they can just install the bed on top of it. It's going to be a king size bed, you guys. Never had a king size bed before, neither has Cody, but I'm so excited for them to finally deliver it. So I did boil the oxtail, kind of remove all the impurities and stuff. I replaced the water and now it's boiling again. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I hope it turns out good. 1:35 now and I have to pick up Cody at 8 o'clock. So I think that'll be enough time to kind of adjust the recipe and as needed. I'm going to add the oxtail back in. I'm gonna add the charred ginger, shallot, and onion in there. And now I'm going to add 1 spice packet in there. Oh, I really hope this turns out good. I couldn't find the good fish sauce, so I'm just gonna add that much, maybe. once I taste it. I just finished cutting up some green onion and cilantro. So got some basil and sliced onion on the side. How big is that? It has been maybe like 5 days since I've turned the camera on. I've just been trying to edit the Italy vlog, which is gonna be an hour long. By the time you guys see this video, the Italy vlog will probably have been out for 2-3 months or something. Editing in the other room now. I'm also making focaccia bread because focaccia bread because Cody loved the focaccia bread that I made last time. But this time I'm gonna add a little twist. I'm making it with a garlic butter spread on top. And then I'm also making some stuffed bell peppers with beef and rice. On the days that Cody is home, because he kind of goes on his trips, right? Since he's a captain, he goes on trips like 3-4 days at a time, sometimes less, sometimes more. I don't really like to turn the camera on while we're together because I just like spending time with him. Since I'm just at home by myself and I don't really have anything to do, I vlog on those days. I'm gonna try to include him more in the vlogs on days that he's off. One goal that we're gonna try to do starting next month is play pickleball. I have never played pickleball in my life. I've played a little bit of tennis with my dad when I was like 5 or so. So I think it won't be that hard for me to catch on to. But I'm excited to try playing pickleball. Also, do you guys like these eyelashes? I'm trying these new DIY lash clusters. They're supposed to stay on for an entire week. Right. Okay. I don't think these mushrooms are good anymore. So I got these cute little bell peppers. I got one in each color, and they all stand pretty well on their own. I got them knowing that I was gonna make some stuffed bell peppers, so it's gonna be perfect. Wash these babies real quick. Just going to slice the top and gut her out. Alexa, do bell peppers grow in hot weather? There are a lot of seeds in here, so I was thinking that I could probably grow them, but Alexa says that they grow best in 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which it is about 100 degrees right now in Las Vegas, so I don't think that will work. This is my baby right here. Oh my gosh. I've been on like a baking craze lately, and I don't know why. All I really have to do is fold the focaccia and then put her in a baking dish. Grab, fold again 4 times, scoop, scoop, fold. I already see all of the bubbles forming in there. Try not to pop them. Layer this pan up with olive oil. A lot of it. A lot of it. Because focaccia bread loves olive oil. Gently plop our baby in there. Just a little more olive oil on top. Then we're going to let her rest. Okay, all of these, the heads of the bell peppers, I'm just going to chop up. I think this shallot is gonna go bad soon, so I'm gonna use this. Yeah. goodness in here. A little bit of cheese to layer. Oh my god, I'm so excited for Cody to try this. Top it off with a little more cheese. A few breadcrumbs on there also. I'm gonna cover them and I'm gonna throw them in the oven when Cody gets home.
You made these perfectly. Like the peppers are still crispy. It's like packed full of flavor.
Thank you, love. Kind of like the Costco.
I highly recommend you finding one of these. They're pretty dope. Wait, did you say these are what? What did you say, Mom? Did you say these are the Costco ones?
Kind of like the Costco ones.
These are way better than Costco ones.
Yeah? What if I did get them from Costco and I just put them there, yeah? And said that I made them? Hi guys, this is Editing Marina here. I realized that I didn't really put in any context about what I was about to do. We basically ran into a problem bringing the doggies to Las Vegas from Hawaii. The issue was the crate that we put our doggie Kaya in. She's a bigger lab mix, pit/lab mix. The only airlines that would allow a crate that big of a size was basically Alaska Airlines. But because Hawaiian Airlines and Alaska Airlines merged together, there were basically no Alaska Airline flights, because all of the flights coming from Honolulu to the mainland were flown by Hawaiian. And Hawaiian doesn't have the same rules and regulations for the dog crates as Alaska does. Delta Airlines, United Airlines, Hawaiian Airlines, all the airlines did not allow a crate that big of a size in the cargo compartment. So it's something freaking insane. The only Alaska Airline flight that was flying out of the state of Hawaii was from Maui. So this crazy idea, fly the dogs, a smaller airplane, Honolulu to Kahului, Maui. So, me being a pilot or whatever, flew the doggies with another CFI named Charlie. Shout out to my friend Charlie, also my coworker when I was instructing at a flight school. We used one of the flight school CESSNA 172s to fly the doggies to Maui to make it on a commercial flight. If you guys enjoyed the entire journey of bringing the dogs to Las Vegas. Oh my god! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hi, baby girl! I know, baby. I'm never gonna leave you again, okay? Good morning from Honolulu. I'm with the doggies right now. Doing a quick trip back home to bring the doggies home with us. So we have Kaya here, Kaya, and Peyton. I'm taking them to the vet right now to get their health certificate so that they can travel. Their appointment was actually yesterday at 4 p.m. Kaya! Just sitting on my bag. Their appointment was actually yesterday. Yesterday we had the damn tsunami and I'm wearing my seatbelt, by the way. The car senses that there's a human without their seatbelt on, so that's why it's ringing. Kaya, you don't have your seatbelt on. Appointment was yesterday at 4:00 p.m. They actually asked us to come earlier because of the tsunami warning, and I was like, okay, I got there as fast as I could. I got there at our original appointment time, which was 4:00, and doctor actually had gone home. So we could not get the health certificate done yesterday. So they rescheduled us for today at 8 a.m. Hopefully everything turns out peachy and we just walk away with the health certificate and we bring them home with us. This trip was solely to bring the babies home. Tomorrow is going to be a hectic day. Same place we were yesterday, huh? Peyton will not leave my side. I had left her here for like a month while we were in Vegas trying to get the house all set up and everything. I think she's scared that I'm gonna leave her again. Kaya, you don't want to sit down? You don't want to sit down? No. Hi, babies. Hi. I'm currently packing up all of my things, the rest of my things that I left in Hawaii. I'm in my room. And I just got Peyton's dog carrier from Walmart. It is like airport approved and everything. Threw some treats in there so she could get familiar with it. She's been in one of them before for my flight from Sacramento to Hawaii, so I think she knows. She has an idea that she's coming with me this time and that I'm not just leaving her. She got 1 dose of the trazodone, which is the anxiety medication, tonight. The vet kind of gave me like 3 doses of trazodone to give her tonight, tomorrow, right before the flight. So I have all of their meds and I'm just packing up any last minute things. Oh, the doggies. Do you know you're coming with me tomorrow? Lord, tomorrow is gonna be a hectic day. I don't know if I'm ready for it, but I hope the dogs are. We prepped everything, we got their health certificate, everything went very smoothly, have all their documents, and yeah. My little baby. Yeah. Are you feeling good? You feeling good, girl? You know your sister is leaving. You know your sister is leaving to Las Vegas tomorrow. Molly, do you know your sister is leaving to Las Vegas tomorrow? Molly? Taking your sister. Bye, baby. Smile. Are here, all safe and sound, have all of their stuff covered, and I need to get out of the gate somehow. Charlie, one of the flight instructors at George's, is leaving now. Shout out to Charlie. Shout out to Charlie. The doggies are all happy. We're recording Oh, this is on my phone. Come on, Kaya. And my friend Michelle is coming to get me now.
Before the airplane moves, make sure you get one of these. They need to give you one of these.
Okay, from the gate agent or?
Yeah, or from the flight attendant.
Okay. We did it! Now off to go get Kaya. They're offloading her off the plane now. Oh my god! The baby! Did she do good? You did good!
She did
Ah,
good.
she did so good! Hi.
Which I wish we could have gotten to do, but it was overcast. You fly over here, and then Coronado Island's right there. So Coronado Island's right there. And there's a big bridge that crosses over it. Super nice neighborhood. There's a golf course over there.
Yeah.
But the bay tour is cool because you're flying right over the water, and then you fly straight over the building. So you're like.
New home. Yeah. This is your guys' new home. Yeah. Hi. Oh, Ethan. Look at her looking out the window.